Mama akwaba wafreme adwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news.
Nka e wo se obia makwan a na nka nkwala na ekofia. O se nka aban no ema no
bill.
Na on the onfan kofie. No onfan ma ne ma me se next term anka sika se no de ba betua school fees. Na aban na fa. Kemema nipa bi appreciate the amount of money and how aban no esia so awofo asene.
Yes.
So man ko is because oh yeah SHS 1 to 3. Now we sika akomu ama akwala ba ko awie suku a. Oya awofo na sai sika no ka wukotua anka wunya ka akwala na betena fi.
Ko betena fi.
But as a mpempi no Ghana for we easily brood over things.
And to make
familiar with us.
Yes, because propaganda the last near mano. It will be 30 years.
Continuous.
84 years, 8 years, and not the other way any manner. Shed ye to me a year, and the could see. Ghana, a cow, don't ever forget about the go mono. COVID, and the hunka one, ye mono, ye the near mabe Emma free, said the Abaya, a moto, a beba. A bind so a free senior high education. Or non so and non sunti. What do you mean, say a year my dear Maya, Shagana ni be any. Nani montri yo yati kroma say ye mrebi ye say Rollins chain obi abehu ni bia abehu sa komde no obi abehu ni bia and so this is not the situation now because you feel relief na abind dia maye no enti ye momody
there you mean the relief of free SHS.
Yes,
I don't know papa bi kasa say and
so Libya ni finance minister
so your flag bearer.
Now, aside flag bearer,
the NPP,
this government has been loyal to them in the north, say, for consistent 7 years, 7 months. The first minister from Ghana is a concomba, a royal from Bimbila. For 7 years, continuous, solid. Now, interior minister is a royal from Nandom. For 7 years. Now, Minister of Business Development and Tourism is from Kumbungu. Ibrahim Awal. You could see, as we talk, the boss of NPA is a man Prusima, Harun Mustafa Hamid. If you check here, some basis, and then the
narration of the endings was that Omon Pemasem, and before the Omon Pemasem.
So, positions are sensitive. Obi adwin says a ban bia ba odi emma nipa e ben no and they will slim. No president will give his defense ministry to anybody just like that. So if the president has loved the Concoma royal boy for 7 years, 7 months, no, I trust and I say, obey to me a bonnet security won't buy a man. The people in the north will trust this party.
Yeah.
If the interior minister in charge of police, fire service, immigrations, prisons, customs, 7 continuous years is a Dagati man from Nandom, they will see, say you trust them. If today, the SHS, the Gomba boy, and a Dano, while this other party is maltreating the Dagomba boy, and not just a boy, that their darling boy. So that's the difference. What do you say? Bimo accuse you already to say any boy is Nama Tamali Fuamba.
Hey, sir, they're doing.
I may blame the counter blame and the way.
Mutakadi also not engaged in the constituency.
He saw no need to go there. And so protect the votes not done. Obia no Uswedine kwa wapa hahai mwazo. They elected the former president May 13th, 2023. May 13th when wonya 1 year. But sin na waka say, won't me coffee be a mom, a penny be a brewer be a to me can't say, Papa not change your mama so about here we am. They are still ridiculing what they don't understand. This is Dr. Baumiane Okasa say middle class for crown or the Bema say credit scoring. Today they are confusing credit rating with credit card. But Onunu Wasrimuno, he is mentioning tangibles. Why they can't challenge John Mahama to a debate or say now we are limited to the north. Or say John Mahama, you have been in Ghana's politics for 28 solid years. We occupy position in government for over 22 years. So, tell us.
What you have done for us.
What records? Nami Baumianso so men coming records. Do the India Ghana United debate, you know? He has challenged him yesterday. Was this a Ghana United debate now? Same Omra. Mama yen kwa mu di gidia ba.
And interestingly, omusebe bia John Mahama gina oka say mu de mo ntwen na Bawumia say MPP for be na be ye flag bearer no. E ho na nra.
Mu nyina desert. Hwe no video mi wi a message di bia ma ona o to awawe. Chief Sofo Aboka himself, Azoka himself fighting. E woni fi on ne nkwara no. So you could see say almost center na e was rim no de ne, and as I said, young party for na e was rim no. Let's commend them. The appointees from the north.
Yeah. In fact,
they are investing in the north, and it's paying off.
Abujinapo.
One is Abujinapo.
Abujinapo.
The BI have said, say, if all the youthful appointees ever for party not to send the Abujinapo fan word Savannah region.
Your core northern region, you could see how the people gel.
No, are you surprised at what is going on?
Abujinapo is like the father of the Savannah region for both political parties.
Let me tell you something.
Was the community center be honum?
Oh, but tell the one they launching the campaign. Yeah? He sponsors every constituency every month. For 2 months now, he has started sponsoring Bono East consistently. 2 months now. For 1 month now, he has started sponsoring Ahafo and Bono. Be a home, but I can't say the penny for betting on Bonabaso. Abujinapo.
Or support him.
Me say Bono East for 2 now. Yeah, but 2 assembly election is the only appointee I'll be supporting.
Oh, Bono East.
Yes, with materials and physical money. Abujinapo. I'm telling you. And as I talk today, you can call any executive from Ahafo or Bono. Tell me, say from last month support came because I know it. And the person who led the region BR the Ebreno, the Savannah Regional Secretary, Isa. Every month, Oscar Savannah Region, they support every month, every constituency. One Savannah Region, every constituency, one pickup. Motorbikes, every constituency. I'm telling you. See, such investment, and I'm not surprised the words we are hearing. The respect, dignity in confinement Muslim for not for Upper East Hanan. I'm telling you, me a council member, meaning praises and region deba. Fasting time, those days, sugar, rice, no. Kogushegu area, Tampuli.
Tampuli.
Kokaraga area, the finance minister. Koyendi area, Farouk.
And this first time, Habib
is it the deputy chief whip?
Yes.
Habib Mayon.
And then you compare to the NDC appointees.
That is why
who has been in government for many years. And Jerry John Rollins.
Why is Haruna Idrusu a darling boy in the north? I don't know Kanehua. NDC for Ensugujim. He is like that. Onon kwana na oye NDC appointee otisenia ene ye young guys no yesire
no
me say Haruna is the only person in NDC appointee from the north ono de kra de me fa na say youthful but on nimpanimfo e wosire ni youth no edi ni yie se manyoni